would start, because that's the number one question people ask, is both, I guess, what type of vehicles you have, or why do you have the vehicles you have, as well as how do you come up with your pricing. And we really look at it that it's about finding the right vehicle that works in this. I think the important thing is to find your niche and figure out what's going to work in your market and finding that right vehicle. If anybody thinks, like, you go to some of the companies that are no longer with us, the idea of, oh, we're going to go to a dealership and buy any car and that vehicle is going to work in subscription, it's not. No longer with us, the idea of, oh, we're going to go to a dealership and buy any car and that vehicle is going to work in subscription, it's not. I think a lot of the same vehicles that we might run for our daily rental business will work in a subscription business, just because we're already focusing on those vehicles, that they might have lower depreciation, lower maintenance issues, and everything. The one that always comes to mind to me is a Toyota 4Runner, and anybody who runs them knows they just don't depreciate. You can see one 100,000 miles, 7 years old, is still worth 60 cents on the dollar. So we'll look at the total depreciation cost, we'll look at the interest, and we'll try and find the right price point and make sure it works for the market. And if we can provide a value to the customer, it works. If not, if it's a vehicle we can't provide a value, we walk away, we don't offer that.